We have a 2006 or 7 Honda Shadow Aero. This particular bike started having erratic sparking issues, and then it went to no spark. When I got it, it had no spark in the front cylinder. It came back for about, I don't even think it ran right ever. Then I had no spark at all. So this could be a few things. Could be your coil packs here, and you got 2 prongs down there. There's 2 coil packs. This one is a yellow and blue wire and a black and white wire. Here's the front one. You want to pull it off. It is a yellow and blue wire, and black and white is also. You have your computer here, which plugs in there. That could be an issue. There's a stator down in here, and this bike is a weird bike. It's got a pulse igniter. The pulse igniter actually sits back in here. It comes up. You'll have to take all this shroud apart, but it's a red wire here, and that's what you'll pull off. When these don't have spark, it can also be this issue here. I've actually already pulled the headlight off. The connector for that is in there. You can check your wiring diagram, and I'll put one on there if you think that may be the issue. On this bike, it definitely isn't, because it'll turn off and on, but both your coil wires and stuff go through that, so it won't turn on unless it's on right. Alright, so get you a voltmeter here, and first thing we'll do is we'll check our stator. And this is a 3-wire system. What happens on this is this takes peak voltage from each wire, runs it through a rectifier, which is just diodes, and it'll charge up your battery. Each one of these wires, when you put positive or negative lead, because it's 3-wire, it would be over 4 volts a piece. 4 volts would equal 12 volts with 3 wires into it. So you're going to at least need 4 volts out of each one of these, closer to 5. So you can run that negative positive each way. Also on this one, okay. Anyway, we'll do that here in a second, but that's just kind of the overview on it. You also got a throttle positioning sensor here that goes on the side of your carb, right in there. It's a 3-wire system. It'll hold about 5 volts, and you can pull it apart, plug your wires. I believe it's 2 outside wires, positive and negative. Turn the throttle with your ohms on, and it should go up and down with resistance. So that's the overview. We'll get in and start checking these now.